In helping leaders and helping people create value, gain greater insight, and build greater confidence for themselves, there are actually many ways possible for me to help them out. The group that I work with, the associates that I have, help people in different ways. And there can be very valuable, broad, and flexible scope of that assistance. It goes from the backroom advisor, which is a private, away from the limelight of the negotiation advice and understanding and suggesting of how to move forward. It could be in the room with the team between, let's say, two companies. Let's use that example, a fly on the wall example of how to be able to recognize things, and then the advice can come later in the back room, or it could be a party of actual negotiator for between the two parties. And of course, in that third example of being an active participant in the negotiation, there's an important aspect is that the person need to be credible to both parties. Generally speaking, some party will be paying me, but it's my job to ensure that the other party is not looking at me as an agent, but rather as a helper in the conversation. The key skill and the key credibility that you need to evaluate is, can this person be credible to the other party? And those are three general ways, and often assistance and help for creating the value, building the confidence and insight comes in those stages. Early on, it's behind the scenes, or it could be watching the proceedings go, or the third, which is actively engaged. Each one has a different level of credibility and requirement. And generally, that will require, for someone like me, working with and engaging the other party on their own terms. So the party that would pay me would also have to be comfortable with that engagement behind the scenes of some sort with the other party. In any case, there are many ways to help someone gain confidence, build value, and gain especially the greater insight that's needed for that value creation.